Hello, children. So, today we will continue with the part 2 of the explanation of the history milestone, chapter 2, that is the earliest societies. So, this is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So, let us start with the explanation. So, today we will discuss about the Paleolithic age. Now, basically, the Stone Age is divided into three ages. First is the Paleolithic age, that is the Old Stone Age. Now, basically, in during the Paleolithic age, what happened? Paleolithic age, the early man, lead a life of a nomad. They moved from one place to another in search of food, and they were especially hunter gatherers. They gathered food and roots and nuts and from leaves and or for food. They also hunted animals. They even lived in the caves and in the hollow of the trees. In order to protect themselves, they used the fur of the skin of the wild animals to protect from cold and rain. In order to protect themselves from wild animals, wild animals, they used to hide themselves from the from this caves. They used to hide themselves in the caves and or in the trees, hollow trees, and to protect themselves from the heat, cold, and wind, they used either leaves or the animal's skin. So now we move to the sections of the Paleolithic age with the tools. Now there is, I have already discussed in that during the Stone Age, people used stones as weapons, as tools, as in order to protect themselves. Now, let us discuss about the Paleolithic age, about the tools. Here in the picture, you can see the picture of the tools of the stones used during the Paleolithic age. Now, initially these tools were used, looked more like a pebbles, but these tools were found in the near Punjab and Kashmir Valley in India. Now, these Paleolithic age tools, there are three types of tools, stone tools, which was used. One is the hand tools, core tools, and flint tools. Now, the three categories of tools are divided. First is the hand tools. They were pear shaped tools, and it was used for cutting and smashing things. Now, what about the core tools? It was a chipping stone, a sharp chipping stones, small chipping stones, which is used for cutting trees and digging the ground. Even the flint tools were stone pieces were sometimes those chipped larger stones. These are stone pieces of chipped larger stones, which was making used for making tools, and they were used for sharpening the knives and the weapons which they used to keep with themselves in order to protect the wild animals, and even to cut the animal skin into as they had to wear clothes like I said already, out of animal skin or uh, leaves of the trees. Now, later, after using the use of stones, a man accidentally discovered the discovery of fire. They started creating fire. Now, how did they create the fire? We will come to know. So, fire was undoubtedly the most important discovery in the early man's age or in the Paleolithic age. So, it was an accidentally discovery. I was telling you that it was where the two stones, out of friction, they used to strike together, and out of friction only the spark of light came out, and this is how the fire was created. And together two stone tools were used to flint together, so in order to create the fire, and that is how they accidentally discovered fire. And now they used fire in various ways. It helped man to scare away wild animals. It kept burning outside the caves at the night. It even also helped man to keep warm in winters. Now fire also helped them cooking the animals they hunted. Now at first they used to eat raw meat or raw vegetables and fruits, but suddenly after the discovery of fire they started to cook it and eat it. Now it also provided them light at night. So this is how the discovery of fire proved the proof for the Paleolithic age man very useful. Now next we come to the Paleolithic art. Now, in the Paleolithic art, the man showed his interest not only on making tools, not only of hunting and gathering, or making clothes, or using certain fire, but they also started creating an interest by painting in the walls. So whatever hunting they did out of the tools, with the help of the tools and the weapons, they used to create, they used to paint it as a success story, that what type of hunt, how the hunt was being done, and how they have successfully hunted that animal. So it was a more of an art of writing. During that time, the early man, the Paleolithic man, they could not read or write. So they used to art in the cave walls of the caves, and they used to paint it, and with that painting they used to express their feelings, express their emotions. And even they used the painted on the walls, they used help of charcoal, they used to paint on the walls. And this is how they express their views, that how they lived and how they have successfully hunted their hunt. So cave paintings can found in, especially in Madhya Pradesh, in the Bhimbetka caves. So major sites where the Paleolithic age can be found in India, the major sites where early man lived near water sources, because they need food and water, and they always settle where water was easily available, and they need food in order to where food was available. They included caves, rock shelters provided from protection from heat, rain and wind. They also there were also factory sites where tools were made. Even they located areas good quality of stones were available. So they always settled in those areas where good quality of stones was available, water was there. And they can be identified present of block stones, discarded tools, chips of waste stones were also found. Apart from this, there were factory come habitation sites which were used by early man, both for both purposes. So here you can see the map of India where major stone age sites can be found. So students, I hope you have understood about the Paleolithic age, about the Paleolithic tools, about the Paleolithic art, and discovery of fire, how it was done during the Paleolithic age. And a Paleolithic age is the old stone age. So I hope you have understood the video, students. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.